Hello, this is Edward Ojambo, the webmaster for ojamboshop.com. Ojambo.com has a great article on moving files such as photos to different locations quickly using PHP. Once this method is utilized, all that is required is changing the location variable in one file instead of editing all the content to point towards the new location. One scenario would be moving photos to a photo server such as Flickr. As you can see, the article is actually on the link is the www.ojambo.com image hyphen proxy. You can also visit ojamboshop.com for templates for WordPress, Zencart, and other popular content management systems. In order to follow along with this tutorial, the following tools are required: a text editor for creating and modifying the PHP script and access permission files, web server, PHP, knowledge of files to be served. I'll be running Apache web server locally with PHP installed. First, we create a folder called Ojambo image proxy. On the server. Then we'll create another folder inside it called images. Now inside this folder we create a file, just an empty file called index.html. Then we place our images inside this folder. One of the images is called badhotliquor.gif. Then run Guinea and we create a new file, a new PHP file, and we're going to save this as my image proxy. Okay, then we just change this very quickly to .com. So we don't need any of this HTML stuff, so just get rid of that. And what we do is we need the file name. This is just simply a variable called file name equals base name decode. We're using the get function, and we're also to get the name of the file as an array. Next is we need the location. This is just images on the local server. Then we need to make sure it exists. So we'll just use an if statement. So if file exists name, then if it does exist, so what do we do? What we're going to do is we're going to obviously grab it. We use a new variable called contents equals file get contents. Once again we use it file name. Then we're going to create a mine array. This mine array will capture, you have all the files we have to feed. So for example, for JPEGs, it's very simple, just image JPEG. for ping files, just simple image ping. And for GIF files, now Ojambo.com has an article. It explains other types of files you can use. Okay, then after that, for example, you can use PDF files, movie files, all different types. Now, PHP also needs a header. So, you just use the header function and you put content type. Then what we do is we're going to use the mine array. What we do is do a little trick. What we do is we lowercase convert the string to a lowercase, and then we grab the last 3 characters of our file name. That will match our inside our array. Then we just display it. So just simple echo statement. And we'll close out our if, and that's it. Very quickly, I caught this error here. It should be file name. I spelled it wrong.